Hello and welcome back to my channel IQD to USD Iraq's economic transformation. A new era unfolding. Iraq is at a turning point, and the signs of transformation are becoming impossible to ignore. Whether you're an investor, a business enthusiast, or simply someone interested in the country's future, this is a moment worth paying attention to. Across the nation, business activities are booming, the financial landscape is shifting, and a renewed sense of hope is sweeping through the people. Let's dive into the latest developments shaping Iraq's economy and what they could mean for the future. A surge in business and foreign investment. Recent events in Iraq have signaled a dramatic uptick in business interest. Just yesterday, over 300 business leaders gathered in Baghdad to explore new opportunities, and even bigger things are on the horizon. Tomorrow, an estimated 1,000 companies are set to arrive in Iraq, eager to invest and participate in its rapidly evolving economy. This influx of business is not happening by chance. The Iraqi government has been working diligently behind the scenes to make the country more appealing to foreign investors. New policies aimed at improving banking, taxation, and infrastructure have created an environment where businesses see Iraq as a land of opportunity rather than uncertainty. With its vast oil reserves and a strategic location in the Middle East, Iraq is becoming an increasingly attractive hub for international companies seeking expansion. The Iraqi Dinar. What's behind the currency movements? Another hot topic in financial circles is the Iraqi Dinar. Unusual fluctuations in exchange rates have sparked speculation that a significant change could be on the horizon. Experts are weighing the possibility that Iraq's central bank may be preparing to adjust the value of the currency as part of a broader economic reform. A revaluation of the dinar could have profound effects. It might strengthen the country's financial stability, curb inflation, and make Iraq more appealing to global investors. However, such a move must be carefully managed to ensure economic stability and prevent unintended consequences. While nothing is confirmed yet, the increasing discussions and market activity surrounding the dinar suggest that Iraq's currency could soon play a much larger role in the country's economic transformation. The national budget. A pivotal moment. This Sunday, Iraq's general budget will be up for debate, and the timing couldn't be more critical. The allocation of government funds will shape the country's future, determining priorities for infrastructure, technology, and foreign investment. Given Iraq's reliance on oil revenues, any changes in budgetary planning could significantly impact the country's financial health. There are also discussions about increasing spending on healthcare, education, and social services, which could enhance the quality of life for millions of Iraqis. How the budget is structured will play a crucial role in Iraq's ability to sustain its economic momentum. If wisely managed, it could set the stage for long-term stability and growth. Nationwide celebrations and a renewed sense of hope. Across Iraq, an air of celebration is spreading. The media is filled with stories of progress, and a sense of optimism is taking hold. But what's behind this nationwide wave of enthusiasm? One possible reason is the signing of several major trade agreements with neighboring countries. These deals are expected to increase exports, create new jobs, and further strengthen Iraq's economic position. Additionally, Iraq is gradually emerging from decades of conflict and instability, stepping into a future filled with potential. The coordinated nature of these celebrations suggests that they are more than just isolated events. They reflect a broader sentiment that Iraq is on the rise. International partnerships. Strengthening Iraq's global position. Iraq's growing international partnerships are another key factor fueling economic optimism. Over the past year, the country has signed agreements with major global powers, including the United States, China, and the European Union. These collaborations are expected to drive significant investments in energy, technology, and infrastructure. For instance, a recent deal with a Chinese consortium aims to develop Iraq's renewable energy sector, focusing on solar and wind power. These projects will not only diversify the country's energy sources, but also generate thousands of new jobs for Iraqis. As Iraq strengthens its global relationships, it positions itself as a key player in the Middle East's economic landscape. The impact on everyday Iraqis. While much of the excitement revolves around large-scale economic changes, it's essential to consider how these developments affect ordinary Iraqis. For years, the country has struggled with unemployment, inadequate infrastructure, and limited access to essential services.